This is 156 acres of opportunity in Georgia, where luxury living, recreation, and subdivision potential all exist on one fully developed property, anchored by a gated entrance, executive estate home, private pond, guest house, pool, and extensive land improvements in a rapidly growing corridor. serves multiple directions, whether for long-term development, private estate living, or recreational use. At the center of the property sits a 5-bedroom, 5.5-bath executive residence designed with scale and comfort in mind. Inside, 9-foot ceilings, Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, and a flowing layout set the tone for the main level. A formal dining room, private office with French doors, and spacious great room connect seamlessly, creating both functional living space and areas designed for entertaining. The kitchen is a true centerpiece of the home, featuring a large island, breakfast bar, walk-in pantry, abundant cabinetry, separate cooktop, and direct connection to the main living areas. Just beyond, a sunroom and covered rear deck overlook the private pond and gazebo, extending the living space outdoors and capturing the natural beauty of the property. The main-level primary suite offers a private retreat with double vanities, a tiled walk-in shower, and a separate garden tub, designed for comfort and relaxation. The fully finished basement expands the home significantly, with a second kitchen, family room, additional bedroom, media room, and a dedicated walk-in storm or safe room, adding both versatility and peace of mind. Outside, the property continues to deliver. A guest house and pool house combination includes a sauna, while the in-ground pool creates a resort-style outdoor environment. A large detached workshop and garage provide space for equipment, vehicles, and projects, supported by a total of 7-car garage capacity across the estate. A network of ATV trails runs throughout the 156 acres, allowing full access to the land for recreation, hunting, or exploration. Located near Stanton Springs, Interstate 20, and Lake Oconee, this property sits in a high-growth region with major corporate interest and expanding development activity from companies like Amazon, Facebook, and Rivian. With luxury living, multiple structures, recreational land, and strong subdivision potential, this 156-acre Georgia estate represents a rare combination of lifestyle and long-term investment opportunity in one fully established property.